Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with a Fancivivi or Fancivivi once more. All right, it's the same packaging as usual, this bag with like a, you know, a little hanger. So let's go ahead and get into it. And you know Fancivivi got like the best braided wigs, right? If you didn't know, trust and believe. Oh my gosh, guys, this is something completely different from what I usually get. All right, oh my gosh, so this is actually a literal braided wig. Whoa. All right, you know what, let me go ahead and get into the goodies. Usually I don't know what's wrong with me, I'm so excited I want to just skip to the wig. Let's see the goodies that we got. Okay, I have a little bag here, some stuff in it. So I got this bonnet. I also have a Fancivivi branded elastic headband. Okay, I got a pair of wig caps, a pair of lashes, and some accessories that you can apply to your hair, your braids. And yeah, that's everything that came for the goodies. So back to the wig. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So let me get into the construction. This is a full-on lace wig, full lace wig. Let me tell you something about them. That's one thing you can't expect with them, because they want the most realistic look for their wigs always. So they do a full lace wig most of the time, so that the entire wig can look like it's scalp beneath. No wefts, only lace. All right, so that's what we're working with. And there's a total of 3 combs inside the cap for added security, as well as this adjustable elastic band, which is a like silicone non-slip vibe. And then there are adjustable straps in the back as well, which you can use to tighten the wig even more. You can go ahead and cut away this excess lace in the back here. But yeah, that's how it looks. Jeez, these braids, I can't tell when last I wear braids like this. You know, I have braids in my head right now, but it's not nothing, you know, to go outside and, you know, show off. I need to redo them like yesterday. But yeah, these now, oh my gosh, you could wear this to an event. They're like super cute. Like you're going on vacation, you can't bother to sit down and wait hours and hours to get a hairstyle like this. No, never fair. Fancivivi, I got you. You can just go ahead and purchase a wig, honey. Yeah, this looks so good. This is immaculate. Why, one thing, you know, me just believe in them. I just believe in these companies, because one thing I'm gonna do is give you guys variety. That's what I'm sure about. They got some nice soft baby hairs here in the front. Man, listen, I'm gonna put all the specs in the description box, by the way. I know summer is over. This is great for vacation and stuff, but guess what? I'm gonna be rocking this right now in fall. So you know what, let's go ahead and jump into this installation. Let's go. Oh my gosh, guys, it is on my head. I'm so excited. So you know what I'm gonna do, I'm actually remove the wig again, and I'm gonna get some of my face powder. So, and then I'm actually gonna apply some of that to like beneath the wig cap, so that it can mimic the tone of my scalp a little bit better. This is how it looks. You see, it looks much more, you know, realistic in terms of the tone. And I'm actually going to go ahead and start applying my glue. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finesse the like edges. I might cut it down a little bit though because these are long. So this is the final look. Oh my gosh, this is so neat. Tell me this isn't neat. Tell me isn't neat. And it really helped a lot that I added my face powder to the lace itself so that the scalp tone could look more realistic because it was on the grayer side before. So I did that and everything looks so good. It's so nicely constructed. This is the length of the wig. It's very neatly done, so I commend them for that. They're constantly switching it up with their braided wigs. It's like they show that, you know, they can be so versatile even though all they really offer is wigs, and I really appreciate that. And I'm happy that I could bring this type of wig to you guys today. It's very different for me, very, very different. It's the first time I've ever tried a proper braided, like not like a box braid or, you know, a full-on braided styled wig. So I am happy with how it turned out. I'm gonna be sure to put the link to this wig in my description box. Shout out to Fancivivi because they did their thing on this. It's a 10 out of 10. It's literally a 10. You know, it's really, really nice. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know. I'm going to be sure to put all the specifications in my description box, so if you guys want to go ahead, you could definitely check that out. And if you want to go ahead and order this wig for yourself, the link is there, so go ahead, check out down below. And if I do have any discount code, then that will also be listed. So yeah, but that's pretty much it for today's wig look, guys. That is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I feel so different because I haven't done a style like this in my hair since high school. So yeah, I don't really do these kind of braided styles, so yeah, but it's nice, you know, it's really nice. So yep, that's it, that's all, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and big up on yourself.